Here we're looking at our Sony 720 headphones, and we are trying to connect it to our Windows laptop. First, you're going to turn on your headphones using the power button as I've shown here. And then you will wait for that until the light turns on. Once it turns on, you're going to go to your volume button and you'll see the blue Bluetooth icon there. You're going to turn it on if it's not on already. Once you do that, you're going to look for your headphones, which is a WHCH720 headphones. It will show you there that it's connected and the audio is on. There will be a signal there that you could see. And to double check, you can turn it off and turn it back on. In your ear, you will hear the amount of battery that is left. And you can see here that it is a connected mic and the audio is working over here. If you're unsure if the headphone is connected or not, we recommend that you can turn off the headphones or disconnect it, just like I'm doing here, and you can turn it off and turn it back on.